I not be like who come for abroad, Abi. When I not even feel clap. If they say what I put mind work, it is out for day. Eh? Imagine I go toilets, all those cleaners they tell me say, please sir, there is no toilet for transgender. I say I not blame you. This one our country. You go school, not wait till you read, you go take work. I read medical microbiology. This place be like lab. My own even good. My friend will graduate from the same school. 43 years old man with 2 children. I asked him for Lagos. My brother, which work you do? He said, I did dance ballet. How many ballet you want dance to take pay house rent for Lagos? The thing don't spoil. The country don't spoil. Now, police don't they hide. They kidnap police for Osun State. Okay, una know here. Or no gunmen kidnap known gunmen. Who want to them? Me and you will not get gone. Somebody say, we think say the country don't they spoil. Now they call Tinubu call Buhari saying don't increase fuel price. He not talk. Another person call Kola. Your Excellency, they have increased the price of fuel from 150 to 500. See Tinubu, see Buhari. Should you people were calling me Baba go slow. Now you are in traffic. You are going nowhere. We die here. For you to know, say things don't hard. When last you chop for dream? To tell you how things don't bad reach. When last you see, say Dino release single? It don't worst. Now we come to hear say our Igbo brothers, they want to leave us go from their own country. You are going nowhere. We die here. Country where all of us got us, boy. We now can't go from our own brand new. So if we can't go on each other, we can't go to find visa. That's what the year when we did Heathrow. Ladies and gentlemen, the flight alone is about to board. You can't hear that come for Biafra. Anybody? The flight to Willie is about to start loading. Itonoche, 2 chance to go. All those things the year when they say Virgin Atlantic, one air hostess coming to you. Hello, sir. What do you care for? Chicken or beef? You can't be Biafra air. One you get yam leg and be a beer for chest will come to you. And 9, what do you care for? Okpa or abacha? We die here. If you came here with your husband, madam, you are doing well. Not leave him, or if you stand up, say you want to go peace. This is Lagos. Now, before guests go see ring for your husband and say, he's married. Nowadays, if you like me, your husband wear bango for leg. They go chop on like palliative. They kill one man for first stack. You see those ones who will be 35 and above. Wonderful ladies. Where you live them, now you go meet them. They're not the share number. You see those 24, 25. Now that they tell you, say, baby, I think we need to spice up our sex life. Now so cheap for a Kulobia. Come Lagos. They carry chief lodger for first stack. Anytime girl, they tell chief, say, I like us to do BDSM. Now chief, they ask, say, which one is the BDSM again? He say, I will tie you, I will rub you with oil, and I will flog you. It is romantic. Chief say, Now so they tie chief for near bed, though. Rub and oil, chief, be like barbecue. Now the girl begin flog chief, She just come out like police, dressed for police attire, come meet chief. Chief, they say, hey, whoa, hey. Now they give chief one. Why? Instead of making chief shout romantically, and chief shout, hey, whoa! Chineke! Now the girl say, no, it's not ewo, it's ouch, ouch. Now she say, ouch, ewo. Ouch, ewo. Ouch, ewo. Now the girl roll again, we. Now he give her one. Now she say, ewo, ouch. All these young girls go they put you for unnecessary pressure. You go see man go they run go gym. You see that gym? Na scam. How you go gym? You get big belly. You go to do. 1, 2. Belle where you build for 24 years with constant ukwobi and big stout. You want to bring her down in 2 weeks, you are a liar. That belle must follow you reach on judgment day. God will play your original picture, say, see who you are supposed to be. See who you are now. That's why I love my Igbo people. In Igbo, kwenu. The reason why I love you people is because of the way you show love. People, they talk about Obi Kubana Mama burial. You know, say now only Obi Kubana Mama, they do burial. Other people, they say, hey, God, when? Burial, they tough. If you go every part of East, then they support themselves. If you go Anambra, Anambra is so blessed. They are here now. In the Anambra, kwenu. In the Anambra, kwenu. Anambra is so blessed. If you reach Anambra for Onitsha, you go already they see billionaires in dollars. Come up for Onitsha, go Oka, you go see men who get money, they still go school. Professors emeritus. Come up for Oka, go Inewi. Inewi. Now only for Inewi, I still say, one man will get 3 children, 2 go be billionaire, 1 go be investor. Not be saying that they use her, we just. I don't hear. If you dare Lagos, you go there conversant with the way they say they enter bus for Lagos. Oshodi. For Anambra, then they shadow like say, na music, then they play. You go just there, okay, go there, Unizik Junction, Wiroche, Amobia, Wiroche, Itanoche, Wiroche. I just dance, Wiroche. The kind song where they play to make them happy is different. If you dey Igbo man house, he go play song where go wake you up early in the morning. You go hear this kind of song. Na biko eze biko na garanyange kuranya na. If that not wake you, go hear ona to wane ke na wane. If you want play song where you go take dance, you go hear this kind of song. Any make it no you money gan ye. Amunu no mani ganiye, mankeke pekuruku manani gediye. There is another, I don't kill them. On your man, a kukuruku manani gediye. And they come, Lagos na scam. They tell us, say, we be man. I wear skirt, come perform. Somebody carry my ex, enter here. I'm a sister like you now. Is it over? Ladies and gentlemen, my name is MC Wyze. Good night.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen,
Funnybone live, timeless.